How to wrap a gift easy and quickly in such a way that there are no extra pieces of paper, because everyone can pack it somehow, but how to cut the right size of paper? Now you'll find out. Take a paper. Place the gift in such a way that each side of the paper covers its side by more than a half, like this. Now take 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. This will be the place where you need to cut the paper. Next, fold the paper inward as shown in the video and use the tape. That's it. Looks nice and easy.